Hi students, we have completed our second lesson in the previous classes. Yes, have you all gone through the lesson? Okay, have you read the lesson? What is the second lesson name? People with special needs. People with special needs. Okay, today we will go through the fill in the blanks. Okay, we have completed our lesson. We will go through the fill in the blanks. All of you open your textbook and see page number 156. Page number 156 in term 1 textbook. Okay. Fill in the blanks. So, what is the first blank, children? People who are deaf and dumb use. People who are deaf and dumb means who cannot hear and who cannot speak. Which language they will use? Sign language. What they will use? Sign language. Okay. So note down all of you. People who are deaf and dumb use dash to communicate. Which language they will use, children? They will use sign language. Sign language. Okay. Now, next blank. What is the next blank? People who are blind read dash by running their fingers along the raised doors. What they will use? Braille. What they will use? Braille. People who are blind read dash by running their fingers along the raised doors. Along the raised doors. What they will use? Braille. Okay. Note down the answer. Next, third one. What is the third blank, children? All of us should dash these people to dash their disabilities. All of us should help these people to overcome their disabilities. Okay. All of us should dash these people to dash their disabilities. Okay, so all of us should help these people to overcome their disabilities. Overcome their disabilities. Okay. All of you note down these blanks, children. I will give you 5 minutes time. Make it fast. People who are deaf and dumb use sign language. Okay, to communicate. Next, people who are blind read braille by running their fingers along the raised doors. Okay. Third one, all of us should help these people to overcome their disabilities. Okay. Make it fast. Completed everyone? Everyone is having textbooks now? So, whoever is having textbook, only you can write these blanks. Okay? Okay. Next. All of you open your CWs. Open your CWs and write. Question and answers, keep the headings, keep the lesson name. Okay. Copy the first. Write the lesson name. People with special needs. All of you open your EVS CWs and write the heading. Neatly have to write. I should see in everyone book neat handwriting. People with special needs. If you can't able to see the lesson name, open your textbook and write. Okay. Now copy the first question. Keep the heading as question and answers. Question and answers. First question. Who are differently abled people? Who are differently abled people? Answer. Copy the question first. People who are unable to use one or more senses of the senses, one or more of the senses are called differently abled people who are unable to use one or more of their senses are called differently abled people. What are our sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are 5 sense organs, no? So among them, if we are cannot use one or more senses, they are known as differently abled people. Okay, they are known as. Write down this answer, all of you. Note down, children, all of you, this answer. Now copy the second question. What is the second question? What should we do? What should we do for differently abled people? Differently abled people. Copy the second question, all of you. What should we do for differently abled people? Write the answer. We should help. We should help differently. We should help differently abled people to overcome their disabilities and move ahead in life Okay, we should help differently abled people to overcome their disabilities. Means whatever drawback they are having, whatever they cannot do, you have to overcome their disabilities and move ahead in their life Okay, note down this answer. What is the first question, children? Who are differently abled people? People who are unable to use one or more of their senses are called differently abled people. Okay, next question. What should we do for differently abled people? What we have to do for differently abled people? We should help differently abled people to overcome their disabilities and move ahead in life. Okay, copy down. Completed? Now, first question answer I am erasing. Now, see the third question, children. What is our government? What is our government? What is our government doing for differently abled people? So, what is our government doing for differently abled people? Write down the answer. Many schools and colleges have been set up for such children. Okay, complete your second answer, children. Make it fast. I am erasing second question. Okay, next point. This is first one. What is the next step they are taking? News for people. News for people. News for people who cannot hear. Who cannot hear is telecasted. Is telecasted on TV in sign language. In sign language. Which they can easily understand. Which they can easily understand. Okay. Now, third point. What is the third step government is taking? Ramps are made at various places like railway stations, and shopping malls for the people who are lame. Okay, copy down this answer. So, what is our government doing for differently abled people? They are taking some steps to help the differently abled people. What is that? First one, many schools and colleges have been set up for such children. Many schools and colleges have been set up for such children. And what is the second point? News for people who cannot hear is telecasted on TV in sign language. In which language? Sign language, which they can easily understand. Okay. Third point. What is our third point? Ramps are made at various places like railway stations and shopping malls for the people who are lame, for the people who cannot walk, Okay. So note down this answer. This is the third answer. All of you note down. And today's homework, children. What is today's homework? Read and write 1-2 question and answer 2 times. Okay. First 2 question answers you have to read and write 2 times. All of you note down this answer. I will give you some time. Completed. We have completed 3 answers today and we have completed blanks. Fill in the blanks we have completed. So we will go through the remaining answers and true or false statements and remaining grammar in the next class. Okay. All of you read, children, go through the lesson Okay, thank you. We'll meet you in the next class.